Hello everyone. Today I will show how to get 0.6 Monero weekly without any investment and detrimental effect on the computer. The essence of this program is that it does not mine, but tries to encrypt a block in the Monero network. In my case, it is a Ryzen 7 3700X processor. Its hash rate is around 3 kilohashes. If you have a more powerful processor, then you have a much higher chance of encrypting a block and getting your 0.6 Monero. The settings are very simple. Open the configuration and enter your Monero address, and everything else is already set up. Once you have entered your wallet address, simply open the program. Disable your antivirus and receive your payout. It will automatically be sent to your wallet. Personally, I successfully encrypted one block in 8 days and received my reward. Important: this is not a miner. It does not harm your PC components in any way.